नमस्कार सांग मैंने आज एक नुआ सेसन को आपण मानक स्वागत। आज आम सेसन साहाय्य रेनी सीजन विषय रे एक लॉन्ग एसे रखिबा। से लॉन्ग एसेटी 250 वर्ड मध्य रहिबो। आगो आसुथु आपण मानक एग्जाम पई बहुत ही इंपोर्टेंट रहिबो। एहाकु मध्य योर फेवरेट सीजन मध्य कहि परिबो। चलंतु स्टार्ट कर देबा आज रे सेशन। इंट्रोडक्शन। The rainy season is a refreshing and joyful time of the year. After the hot summer, cool rain showers bring relief to everyone. Trees and plants look green and beautiful. Rivers and ponds overflow with fresh water. Children love playing in the rain and selling paper boats. This season is truly magical, filling nature with beauty and our hearts with happiness. Next point. Times of rainy season. The rainy season usually begins in June and lasts until September in India. It comes right after the hot summer season and is caused by the southwest monsoon winds. During this time, dark clouds cover the sky and frequent rain cool the environment. Fields, rivers, ponds, and lakes fill with water. Farmers eagerly wait for this season because it is very important for agriculture and crop growth. Next passage. Nature during rainy season. Nature looks beautiful and fresh during the rainy season. Trees, plants and grass become lush green and flowers bloom brightly. Rivers, ponds and lakes overflow with clean water, creating a lovely view. The cool breeze and raindrops make the environment pleasant and refreshing. Birds chirp sweetly and the sky often display colorful rainbows. Overall, nature during the rainy season appears variant, lovely and full of beauty. Now I can discuss about benefits rainy season. Rain brings many benefits to nature and human life. It fills rivers, lakes and ponds with water, which is essential for daily use. Farmers depend on rain for growing crops like rice and sugarcane. Rain also keeps the environment cool and fresh. It helps plants the tree grow beautifully and maintains the balance of nature. Without rain, life would be difficult as it is the main source of water. Then I can discuss about children enjoyment in rain. Children enjoy the rain season the most. They love playing in the rain, splashing water and jumping in puddles. Many children sell colorful paper boats in small streams. They wear raincoats and gumboots while enjoying the showers. The cool breeze and raindrops make them happy. They also enjoy eating hot snacks during this season. Rainy days truly bring laughter, fun and unforgettable memories for children. Can I discuss about problems in rainy season? The rainy season also brings some problems. Heavy rain causes waterlogging on roads and traffic jams. Floods in some areas damage houses and crops. Stagnant water become a breeding place of mosquitoes, spreading disease like dengue and malaria. Wet clothes and damp surroundings create an uncomfortable atmosphere. People often face power cuts and difficulty in traveling. Despite these problems, the rainy season remains an important and necessary part of nature. Then I discuss about some importance of rainy season for farmers. Importance for farmers. The rainy season is very important for farmers. Most crops like rice, maize and sugarcane depends on rainwater for proper growth. Rain fills ponds, canals and rivers which are used for irrigation. Good rainfall ensure a rich harvest and increase food production. Farmers happily plow their fields during this season and sow seeds. Without rain, crops may dry up, leading to drought. Thus, rain is truly a blessing for farmers. At last, I can discuss about conclusion of this essay. The rainy season is a beautiful and important part of nature. It cools the earth after the hot summer and make everything fresh and green. Though it causes floods and diseases, its benefits are far greater. Rain supports farmers, fills rivers, and helps plants to grow. It brings joy to children and peace to everyone's heart. Truly, the rainy season is a blessing of nature that we will enjoy the crisis. ଏହା ତ ଥିଲା ଆଜିର ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ। ଏହି ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ରେନି ସିଜନ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ ଏକ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଏସେ ଲେଖିଛି। ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଏନ୍ଜୟମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଏହି କଲରଫୁଲ୍ ଏସେ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମୁଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ନେଇ ଆସିଛି। ଯଦି ଏହିଭଳି କଲରଫୁଲ୍ ଏନ୍ଜୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ଏଜୁକେସନକୁ ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ାଇବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି, ତେବେ ମୋର ଏହି ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରି ମୋତେ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ। ମୁଁ ଏହିଭଳି ନୂଆ ନୂଆ କଲରଫୁଲ୍ ଏସେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ନେଇ ଆସିବି। ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବଢ଼ିଯିବ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ ଉପରେ ଏବଂ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଏସେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଯେଉଁ ଡର ଥିବ ସେ ଡର ନିହାତି ଉଭେଇଯିବ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ରେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ। ରହୁଛି, ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।